family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General to do me a little deal, and y'all, these deals are good this week, okay? The deals are good this week. You get some freebies, you get some low out of pockets, but it's all according to what you want to put together. 5 off of 25. Hopefully they have things that are in, the products are in the stores. And the 5 off of 25 should be great too. They should be a little cheap, should be great. And actually, all depends on what you put into your transactions. So, went ahead and went to Dollar General earlier today because I got off from work early. So I said I had somewhere to go. I said, let me stop in Dollar General to actually do me a deal you can do now. So I will be doing another deal also during this week, and probably a 5 off of 25 too. Okay, so the first thing that I have is these Chere'er fruit trees grow strong. Okay, now I don't know if the other ones attached to these coupons. There is 2 coupons that you need to get. These fruities are $3 each. Okay, so I guess I went ahead and got 2 shampoos because that's all that was mainly on the shelf. Okay, everything else was kind of bare. So there is a $3 off of 2 Dollar General and a $3 off of 2 digital coupon, which is like a manufacturer. So this all went, these 2 products cost me just 1 penny because Dollar General, the reason why it's just 1 penny because Dollar General does not give you anything free. Okay, so they discounted the Dollar General store discounted coupon to $2.99. So it just made this actually a penny for both of them. Okay, the next thing is this CoverGirl eye pencils. The CoverGirl eye pencils are $4.50. There is a $4 off digital coupon that did attach. I think this is the digital coupon from last week. And if you haven't clipped it, go ahead and clip it. Once you put this into your transaction, it's just 50 cents. Because it's $4.50. There's a $4 off digital, just making it 50 cents. Okay. The next thing is the Gain Fireworks. You can get the Gain Fireworks, you can get the Gain Sheets, you can get the Gain Softener, and you can get the Gain Flings. I was going to get the Flings, but I decided and I seen where they had these Gain Fireworks. The Gain Fireworks are $4.50, but there is only $1 digital coupon that is attaching to this. We used to get $2, but they're only giving us $1 now. Okay, they're only giving us $1, but you can only buy one of the product with the coupon. Okay, just one of the ones that I named with the coupon. All right, so then the next thing is this Nitro Pepsi. This smooth, creamy, easy to drink, and it's vanilla. That's the flavor. Here we go. Nitro Pepsi Vanilla Draft Cola. Y'all, this reminds me, I don't like beer, but this reminds me of a beer. I did try this, y'all, and this Nitro Pepsi is good. It does foam up like a beer, like the beer comes out with the foam. It does. If you like beer, then you might like this. Okay, I haven't tried the other one because the other one's blue, but I'm gonna go and try that too. But I tried this Nitro Pepsi, and y'all, it is good to me. This vanilla, it is good. I love vanilla, so I'm thinking that's probably why I like it so much. But you might want to try it. Just try it, give it a try, and then you'll see what I'm speaking about, what I'm talking about when I say the foam. when you open it up and everything, and you pour it in your glass over some nice old cold ice. Yes. All right. So once I put all my stuff up there, I put my number in. She rung up everything. My subtotal, y'all, is $5.01. $5.01, y'all. That's crazy, ain't it? $5.01 for all of this. This is before taxes. This is the subtotal. This is the second time that I've been couponing that I got a $5 one. I mean, I'm not even going to look at the penny. I'm just going to say $5. I'm not even going to look at the penny, okay? So I'm just going to say $5, okay? But it's actually $5.01. And then, you know, everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt, y'all. All right. So there is the CoverGirl. There is the Game. There is the Fruities. Both of the coupons came off. There is the Pepsi, which was $2, and it was $1 off digital coupon. And there is some dollar coupons on coupons.com. Okay, so if you haven't printed those, you might want to print those. You can put those in your transaction. Also, if your Dollar General take paper coupons. So look at my subtotal, y'all. Subtotal $5.01. $5.01. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. And look how much I saved. $11.99. So there is a $5 off of 25 for Saturday. If you don't get a digital, there is the paper, which I did get a digital, and I was so happy they went back to the regular 5 off of 25s. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. Thank you for coming by Miss Donda's channel.